trying out the products I bought yesterday. Don't mind that buzzing noise. I don't know what it is. Okay, first, so basically I'm getting ready to go bowling. So yeah, I'm ready to change, but I'm gonna do my skincare and use some new stuff. So yeah. Take the toner. Basically, this week I'm gonna do one game because there's not enough time. Okay, now I'm using my moisturizer with this, which is my regular recipe. Still like the juice. So yeah, I'm gonna mix it in. The dewdrops and the tissue drops. Okay, we put both of them on and mix it together, and I'll see you when I got it on. Okay guys, I just put it on, but you're gonna have to come back for part 2. This is too long.